Hey everyone, welcome to the main ingredient. This is a series of Recipe for Success. I'm your host, Laurie Sallarulo, President and CEO of Junior Achievement of South Florida. With Junior Achievement, we are committed to teaching students the ingredients to success, work success, life success. And we know that every person has a recipe, and there's always one ingredient that stands out. I am so thrilled to have this week's guest joining us, Andrew Koenig, President of City Furniture, and I am now going to invite him to our broadcast. Andrew, are you there?
Yes, I am.
I am awesome. It's so good to see your face.
You too, Laurie, you too.
I love this. It's so funny. We're always about texting, and they said that texting was the new email. Well, now I think Zoom and FaceTime and Skype and all of those things are the new emails.
Yes, so much this past week. Unbelievable.
Yeah. But, there is a comfort to see. I don't know if it's just me being in Mediterranean descent, but I think it's for all of us. We're all social animals. When I'm on a call with someone, it's so different than when I see their face.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. So Andrew, I know that you are a big proponent of podcasts and video shows, and so we're going to keep these short, like your recommendation, no more than 10 minutes. But one of the things, I always ask in the Recipe for Success, and I know we're going to film your full episode at some point when this is over, but I always ask at the end, what's your main ingredient to success? And today, though, I want to there's what is that main ingredient for you personally, as well as for the company?
Yeah, there's a lot of main ingredients, but I guess the one that sticks out to me the most is one of our values, which is continuous improvement. So we have something in our company that we talk about all the time, which is striving for perfection so that we may catch excellence. So I think really strongly in our culture is this never settling. There's no such thing as status quo. We want everybody to challenge everything. I'm constantly talking to all of our associates, all of our leaders to challenge everything, including my direction, my suggestions. And if we do that really well, and we really push each other really hard to constantly strive for perfection, there's no doubt we're going to catch excellence along the way and be better at whatever it may be, whether it's customer experience, whether it's being more efficient, more safe, you name it. But having that mindset of never settling, never being proud or wanting to stop, and just always striving for perfection. So we wrap that under our value of continuous improvement.
Yeah, and I would say from knowing you and working with you that's your personal, one of your personal main ingredients as well. So, I just spoke with someone on our last show who's in the accounting service business, and we talked a little bit about going through, what we're going through today. I call it the storm, but, for me, I said it's just an opportunity to learn to dance in the rain. I'm curious, though, so that was service industry, you're in the retail industry. Can you talk for a second a little bit about how that ingredient either helped to prepare you and also how it's helping you get through this?
Yeah, so it's definitely prepared us since 2008. Our mindset of continuously improving has only gotten more throughout our company, throughout our culture, and strongly, fiercely adopted. So I definitely thought we're prepared going into this this storm, and we're using that same exact thinking every single day on how to grow as much possible sales that you can when your stores have to be shut down in certain markets, or whether it's growing business online because that store is always open 24/7. And I think everybody's just using that mindset really to the nth degree right now. And but it really is business as usual from a mindset perspective. I guess it's just being more the sense of urgency, the intensity, and the focus to continuously improve at everything we can do in these dire situations is really, you're really seeing it by everyone. I mean, the janitors trying to be more efficient, trying to improve safety. The e-com team's trying to grow every sales. The sales team is trying to perform sales chat without a showroom. Everybody is constantly improving. And truthfully, I've been saying this for the last 2-3 weeks. I do videos to our whole company every couple days, and we're going to come out of this stronger, fiercer, smarter, and with several new business opportunities to grow our business in the future. So we will continuously improve through this difficult situation. So we're using it every day.
Yeah, I've said that I don't think we're getting through this storm, right, unchanged. So I think the way that we communicate with each other, the way that we do business, all of that, I think, just like 9/11, changed the way we travel, right, and the way that we enter in and out. And so our whole security world changed, and I think now our technology world will change. And I'm just curious from a retail perspective, what do you see, once this is over and we can go back out and be together again? What do you see as far as, that in 9/11, it took a couple of years for people to get used to the new norm and to get out there and travel and not be afraid. Do you think people will go back to shopping in stores? Do you think that it will turn them even more into virtual shoppers? What do you see coming?
Yeah, so we've had a theme for the last couple of weeks that we think the home is more important than ever. So number one, every industry is being impacted totally differently, and our specific industry, we think the home is going to be more important than ever. So so that means what we do as a company is more important than ever to all of our customers in the community. So when it comes to customer shopping patterns, we definitely see a faster shift to folks getting more comfortable to buying online. Mm-hmm. Right now, we have tons of customer research studies. It's still difficult. It's still a very expensive purchase outside your home, your car. Furniture is typically your third most expensive purchase. And but I think, the customers are definitely going to want to shop in store. But I definitely think the digital world is going to play a bigger part in that shopping journey. Our strategies, we've always known the digital disruption's been here for several years. Right. So we still believe in big, beautiful home furnishing shopping experiences, wine bars, great salespeople, educated, huge product lineup. But I think what we think is happening faster, and that we as a company have to step it up, is just getting stronger digitally, whether that's you want to buy in store, buy online, combination of both. We just need to meet that customer to whatever experience they want to engage with us. So I think nothing's really changed. I guess let's just say the sense of urgency to get stronger at our digital shopping experience. You'll see us we're literally doing it right now. In the next 30 days, we think by May, we'll have tons of improvement in our shopping experience digitally. And you'll just see us continuously get better and better June, July, August. And but we still think the store is extremely important. We don't think people want to stay in their homes forever. We don't think people don't want to travel one day. So I think it's definitely changing, but it's not a one size. Everything's online, everything's in store. We've always felt that they're both important.
Right. Finding that balance, right? Just like we did when like I said, when we went through other things, because while this might be a little bit different, it still changes, right? The way that we live and work and play. But that we found that right normal, right? It all kind of settled in. Right. And I think you're right. Exactly. It'll settle in again. So I look forward, like I said, to doing our full recipe for success, because there is so much I want to ask you about. But as you can see, I am in my own kitchen today, since we couldn't have everybody come to JA World. I wanted to open up my own home and my own kitchen. And tonight's recipe is fajitas, by the way. I have some onions and peppers. Nice. So I'm cooking a lot more in my home, that's for sure.
We are too.
But status quo, right? Not being status quo, constantly challenging to be the best. Excellence, you talked about, continuous improvement, and striving for perfection. All of that main ingredient is what made City Furniture and you and your family so successful to this point. And I know that it's going to continue to make you even better and better as a leader and as a company. And I just want to mention for those watching that your commitment to this community is so important. I can't let this end without talking about that. That, of course, the ask companies are looking at that and trying to help in the best way possible. But I want to just tell you how appreciative we are at Junior Achievement. You have been a part of us for probably about 11, 12 years now since the storefront, and we continue to grow that relationship. And so thank you for being a partner. I know that you understand, especially as a board member and as our incoming chair, how important it is to prepare our young people. Because Andrew, what you're doing today, right, we need to prepare them for, because they're going to meet these challenges in the near future. So thank you for all that you do. Thank you for being with me today and sharing your main ingredient. And I look forward to seeing your face, but touching your face. No, I'll only touch from 6 feet away. Soon. Please take care of yourself, your family, the City Furniture team, and give everyone my best.
Best to you and the whole JA team. Thank you, Laurie.
Thank you, Andrew. Take care of yourself.
Bye, everybody.